Hi, this is Mr. Bixel. The identifying mixtures, elements, compounds quiz is traditionally pretty difficult, so I thought I would make a little video showing how you might think about that. First, one of the goals of this quiz is to make sure you understand the different definitions of element, compound, diatomic molecule, and pure substances and mixtures. So take a look at these definitions. First, an element is a substance that's made up of only one kind of atom. A compound is a substance that's made up of two or more different kinds of atoms bonded together. A diatomic molecule is a molecule made up of exactly two atoms. And for pure substance and mixture, instead of a definition, it's actually kind of easier just to do a little test. If it's a pure substance, you can pour out one and only one kind of particle if you had a beaker of it. If you had a beaker of a mixture, you could pour out more than one kind of particle. So let's apply these definitions to an actual set of quiz questions. First, right here, you'll see that the image above shows a gas, liquid, and solid phase of a substance. Here's a gas, here's a liquid, here's a solid. And you're going to choose all the answers below that correctly describe this substance. So first, is this an element or elements only? Well, when you look at it, you see molecules. The blue represents one kind of atom, the red represents another kind of atom. So those aren't elements, those are compounds. It's a substance made up of two or more kinds of different atoms bonded together. So this is compounds only. Now let's take a look down here at the other selections. Diatomic molecules or a mixture of diatomic molecules. Well, each particle in here is a diatomic molecule. It's joined together and they're exactly two atoms. So this is diatomic molecules only. And that's how we do that one. Let's go to the next one. Now, is this a pure substance? Well, let's do the pure substance versus mixture test. If we were to pour out particles from a beaker of this, you could pour out a blue particle, or you could pour out one of these molecules. There's really nothing else you could do. But it's a mixture because you can pour out more than one kind of particle. So this is a mixture. Next, what do we see in here? We see single atoms in blue, and we see molecules right here with the purple, the red, and the yellow. So it's not single atoms only, it's not molecules only, it's both. That's question 2. Let's go to question 3. Let's see what we have in here. It looks to me like what we have is we have one kind of particle, which is a purple atom and 2 yellow atoms. Maybe this is water. Maybe the purple's oxygen and the yellow's hydrogen. So this molecule has 3 atoms. Here's another molecule that has 2 atoms. And that's the only types of things that are in here. So is this a pure substance? No, it is a mixture of this 3-atom molecule and the 2-atom molecule. Now, what is this whole thing made up of? Is it single atoms, molecules, or both? Everything in here is a molecule. So we choose molecules only, and that's question 3. Let's try question 4. Looks like what we have here is a substance that's made up of a single kind of atom. It's just whatever this green atom represents. So is it a pure substance? Yes. You could only pour one kind of particle out of this beaker. Is it single atoms only? Yes. And that's it. Let's try question 5. Next, what do I see here? I see single atoms, and then I see this molecule that again might be water. Is it a pure substance? It is not, because you could pour out more than one kind of particle. This is a mixture. Is it single atoms only? No, there's more than just these single blue atoms here. Is it molecules? No, because it's more than just this possible water molecule. It is both molecules and individual atoms. Next, let's try question 6. What do I have here? Element or elements only? No, both of these are compounds. This is compounds only. Remember, a compound is a substance made up of two or more different kinds of atoms bonded together. Is it diatomic molecules only? No, this is a diatomic molecule, but this is not. So it is a mixture. That's question 6. Here's question 7. Is this a pure substance or a mixture? This is a pure substance because the only thing you could pour out of a beaker of this would be a particle like that, or a particle like that, or a particle like that, or a particle like that. Everything you could pour out is the same. So this is a pure substance. You can pour out only one type of particle. Is it single atoms only or molecules? It is molecules only. Let's go to the last question, 8. Choose all the answers below that correctly describe that substance. Is it a pure substance? No, there's several different kinds of things that you could pour out. That is a mixture. Is it single atoms only? I don't see any single atoms here. Everything in here is a molecule. This molecule has 3 atoms in it. This has 2 atoms in it. This has 4 atoms in it. So this is molecules only. And that's it. There we go. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.